anyway. I mean, like, wow, that's, you know, it's been really such a great learning experience, and I've had such a joyous time doing it, and I love doing it. And besides that, I've been hosting like Nashville Sunday Night is the live from Nashville show that features a couple of bands, and I'm the guy that just said, hey, I love Lighting 100 on the stage introducing the show, and it is funny because I've been there, done that, right? So I walked in just last week.
Fuck me.
Yeah.有灯这样。他。
Keep going. You've got your own lane, you fuck knuckle. What are you doing? You've got your own lane. Even fucking looking.
claimed he was only dropped because of his handshake deal with Elliott. I've been dropped for breaking a deal with a coach. At the start of the season, we made a pact I wasn't going to drink on any weekday during the season. And now I've broken that promise, so I deserve whatever Maddie choose to hands down.
I think that, don't you think that she should inherit the show from Rue to get it?
Has it not happened already?
No, I mean, if, like, say Rue got her head chopped off by the
He doesn't have to stand at the head of the bucket of balls or any of that sort of rubbish. He's just got to talk to the players. Now, next year there's going to be a heritage round next year. Isn't this a refreshing idea? I mean, everyone he doesn't have to stand at the net with a bucket of balls or any of that sort of rubbish. He's just got to talk to the players. Now, next year there's going to be a heritage round next year in the rugby league. Isn't this a refreshing idea? I mean, everyone loves heritage rounds. I know you do. We've seen the success in the AFL. How much people love it, seeing the old gear and that sort of stuff. I think
sort of things have changed when you grow up regionally and yeah, I think a lot's changed in motorsport these days. How young some kids are getting into it.
It just comes to your point, including opinions from Brisbane players were relayed to the Broncos coach. Critiques were withering. The feedback covered a range of topics, question mark.
As well, but there are times that you have restricted it.
Right.
So in moments, it's like, why the fuck am I here? I'm gonna use any kind of pulling the pregnancy card I can, like once I'm pregnant.
What the fuck was that? That's actually what I forgot.
No, and we'll be more in a routine to be able to do that kind of thing next year. Okay.
For us. Right. Or this is exactly what I need. So, just create your own event. But what we described is what works for us, and I'm looking forward to the next one. Wait a minute.
Oh, you naughty guy.
Blimey.
Video locked.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
It's best if I buy my own home instead of renting.
Probably get NDIS workers to go in there and support you.
Yeah.
You know?
Of course.
Oh.
Fuck.
Not a fucking clue.
Fucking red light runner, man. Seriously. Even the workers like, what the hell?
Yeah, it's Barossa. Barossa, but let me have a look. So would I go visit their website for that?
Where the mappa? Oh, you're a fucking idiot, mate. What the fuck are you doing?
That would have been
Yeah.
Gold 104.3 playlist for every mood and moment. Download the free
Red light
iHeartRadio app.
runner.
Home means to you.
Bring it to life with Venus Family Homes. See why so many Victorians.
Look at this muppet. Doesn't know how to drive. What do you expect?
And my comment.
Look at these guys, how they fucking park.
Oh wow.
You will learn by the numbers. I will teach you.
Please, fucking me, mate.
Including 37 points as the Bucks
Straight through the red light.
106 to 103 in the NBA. Tragic news in
No indicators either. Unbelievable. Wow. Looks like this thing definitely doesn't have indicators. And it doesn't stop for red light. You just cut across with no indicator again. Unbelievable.
She wasn't sure. Oh, there's an old Ford GT.